Hi, my kids. We are in basic lesson. We are still in our basic lessons course. Before I will go to our video today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, saying new videos. This video for kids KG1 and KG2. I will remind you of the words that we learned during the summer course, and then I have story after that. Okay, let's go to revise what we took during this course. We took some vocab. I would like to revise with me. Here is capital A and small a, and an apple, and an apple. Here we have capital B and small b, book and bag, book and bag. Capital C and small c, cat and car, cat and car. Capital D and small d, dog and dog, dog and dog. Capital E and small e, egg and elephant, egg and elephant. And we know that BH is pronounced at what? As F, okay? Here we have capital F and small f, fish and fan, fish and fan. Capital G and small g, girl and goat, girl and goat. Capital H and small h, hen and hat, hen and hat. Capital I and small I, in and ink, in and ink. Capital J is, here is a mistake here. It to be capital J and small j, jet and jay, jet and jay. Capital K and small k, key and king, key and king. Capital L and small L, lion and lemon, lion and lemon. Capital M and small m, moon and monkey, moon and monkey. Capital N and small n, northern nest, northern nest. Capital O and small o, orange and ox, orange and ox. Capital B and small b, bean and bee, bean and bee. Capital Q and small q, queen and quit, queen and quiet, queen and quiet, not quit, quiet, queen and quiet, queen and quiet. Capital R and small r, rabbit and ring, rabbit and ring. Capital S and small s, snake and sun, snake and sun. Capital T and small t, tree and ten, tree and ten. Capital U and small u, uncle and umbrella, uncle and umbrella. So capital U and small u, uncle and umbrella. Capital V and small v, vase and wheat, vase and wheat. Capital W and small w, watch and web, watch and web. Capital X and small x, fox and box, fox and box. Capital Y and small y, u and yam, u and yam. Capital Z and small z, zoo and zero, zoo and zero. Okay, now we know the alphabets and the word related to every alphabet, to every letter. Let's go to the story today. Our story today. Our story today, let's know our story today. It will be about a bug, and boy ate home. Let's read this story together. This is a bug. This is a bug, a small insect. This is called bug. The bug is little. This is a bear. The bear is big. This is the boy. This is a boy. The boy is bigger than the bug and smaller than the bear. So the size of the boy is bigger than the bug and smaller than the bear. The bear eats from the bucket. This is bucket. The boy eats from a bowl like this, and the bug eats from a bottle cup and a bottle cap, and the bug eats from a bottle cap like this. The bear sleeps on a rug on the floor. The boy sleeps in a bed. The bug sleeps in a peanut. The bug sleeps in a peanut shell. This is a peanut shell. Good night, bug. Good night, boy, and good night, bear. Our story ended today. I hope to benefit and enjoy from our video. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.